I am Justin Kindlespire. I'm the Digital Fabrication Specialist, and we are in the Digital Fabrication Lab. We have the ability to create almost anything. We can cut and form metal, we can cut and shape wood, and we can create things out of plastic. The CNC router takes material away and makes a three-dimensional object. It's a reductive process. The CNC plasma cutter cuts through thin metals. The vacuum former is used to melt plastic and then to suck plastic around an object so that you can use that plastic as either a mold or a finished product. The laser cutters cut through a variety of materials, wood, plastic, fabric. Students come to us with a digital model, and we send that model to the machine. The 3D printers take a three-dimensional virtual object and they create a real object, either with plastic or with plaster. Very basically, that's how it works. We use software to go from an idea to a finished physical product.
My name is Keith Tucker. I'm a studio art technician. The SawStop was created by a person who felt like the standard table saw was just not safe equipment to use. Your finger will set the SawStop off. Now, what happens when it actually gets set off is the conductivity needs to be interrupted by touching the blade with something that shouldn't be touching the blade, whether that's metal or something wet. When the circuit is interrupted, a 5,000-pound spring fires a piece of aluminum into the blade, stopping it almost instantaneously. The whole blade mechanism then drops into the table to stay further out of harm's way. And what you end up with is a minor incision, basically. You end up with a cut. You'll bleed, but you won't have a terrible wound like most table saw accidents are known for.
I'm Kevin Grenke. I'm the managing technician of the fabrication labs here in the College of Design. We provide technical support in the W.L. Hall workshop and in the Digital Fabrication Lab. We help toy product design students to realize their vision.
Well, we send them through a bit of an orientation on how to use all the equipment safely, and that also helps in that time to sort of help them decide what equipment to use to get the job done that they're looking for. And it's really quite nice to be able to help students get to having something you can actually hold in your hands from a conception that they had weeks previous.